Welcome back, fellow web creators and entrepreneurs. In this tutorial, I'm going to cover how to export and save footage as an MP4 video format using Adobe Premiere. To kick things off, I have a project ready that I would like to save and export as an MP4. To begin, go up to File, Export, then click on Media. You can also jump to this window by pressing Ctrl-M on Windows or Command-M on Mac. In the pop-up window, change the format to H.264. This will configure Premiere to export your video as an MP4. The preset settings should be fine on Match Source High Bitrate. This will use the same resolution and frame rate as your original source videos. Whether you'd like to lower the resolution of the original video or upscale it, Premiere has many presets to choose from. But if you find a specific set of export settings and you want to save them as a preset for your own projects, for example, if you want a preset with no audio, untick Export Audio, you'll notice that the preset description turns to Custom. Now click Save Preset and choose a name. And there it is for next time. Lastly, but most importantly, you'll want to name your MP4 file. To do this, click the output name in blue and it will bring up a window allowing you to change the name and save the location of your exported .mp4 file. Finally, click Export to start the render process and your video will be saved as an MP4. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope you learned something new. Thanks for watching and I look forward to seeing you again soon.